Making a certificate is a very easy task. If we're making a certificate for only one person, for example, I will make the certificate in one person only. Name Christian Lamon. But what if we're given a task to make certificate for multiple user or multiple presenter or multiple person like this list or this data? What should we do? So to solve this problem, we will make the process very short in just a minute. The process will be: make sure that you have Excel file for of those people, like arranged like this. Mm, we're going to erase this example. Then you should follow the steps. Go to billing, start, bill merge, normal documents, select recipient, use existing list, browse where you save the file or the list of the people or the Excel file where you save those documents. For example, this is the file that I will show you early. Open, click OK, then insert merge field. Insert merge field. Then last name. After you insert merge field, click the insert merge field. This will display the last name, first name, middle name, or the heading of the file you make, your Excel file, the heading of your Excel file. I will show you earlier this file. Then it's up to you if you want to display first name first, then followed by the middle name and last name. For this example, for this tutorial, I will uh, use this kind of format. Then space, then comma, then followed by the first name, space, then the middle name. So you can add font size, font color if you want. But in this for example, I will add color for the middle name to show you the effect. Then I will add font for the first name. Then for the last name, uh, it become bold in italic, underline. Then after that, go back to billing. Then click finish and merge. Edit individual documents. Then click OK. Here are the results. Certificate qualification to Maria Patangan, then Ambato Alila Somala, then the last, I will show you the last, Itol Francisca Dumayo. So to show you, I will show you the list. So this is the list. Last data are Idol Francisca Dumayo. And the first Amadia Maria Patangan, followed by Amato Erila Sumala. So, the same data in our list. So, for this process, by following this process, we will make those certificate, the certificate in not consume many hours. So, this process also applicable if you send a letter for multiple recipient. You can still use this process. That's all for this video. Thank you.